Hey guys, welcome to AP Car Rider. This is Harish. Uh, After buying bike, I couldn't vlog. I had so many plans, but it was postponing continuously. Today, we are going to Bangalore to get some accessories for the bike, and we'll discuss about the bike and the accessories I am going to install on the bike today on the way. So let's go.
Hi guys, we have started from Sulurpet. It is first time, so setting up was pretty complicated for me. So I'm on the way to Bangalore to get some accessories for V-Strom, and we will see if something works out for us also, any gloves or helmet. Because my this helmet is 2 years old and it has so many scratches on the windshield already. So if possible, we'll change the windshield, because I'm happy with the helmet. I don't have any complaints whatsoever. I am Harish Jain. I am from this town called Sulurpet. So it was my dream, more than 8 years dream, to start vlogging. This is the Naidupeta, via Naidupeta route I was talking about. This road earlier, I wouldn't say it was the worst, but it was a single way. It was very difficult to travel, but it was the best option if we compare to the other alternative we have, the Mannarpur route to go to Tirupati. If someone wants to go to Tirupati from Sulurpeta, there are two routes. One is via Srikala, Mannarpur and Srikalahasti. That road is heaven for this bike now. It was a little difficult then. Nobody in car would not even dare to go, even if they want to, only if they want to go to Kalahasti. If they are ready to go 20 kilometers extra, 15 to 20 kilometers extra, they would have to go this way. Otherwise, that option, that is very tough. Only single road, both sides, only potholes, no road. This is the only width of the road. But if the bus is coming, you have to get down. So now this route, it's buttery smooth. It's the best route in this area. And to go to Bangalore from my place, you just need an excuse. I don't know why. After buying this bike, I always find things in yellow. Continuously, this highway there are only yellow clouds. We are going to reach Chittoor sometime. I have no plans to stop. Mostly I will stop for a small break for water, that's all. I will directly go to auto knitting, because I have to hand my bike over there. This is the last. Water, it is turning off. You have to go on. We'll fix this later. We need to cover some kilometers. I'm here for a small water break. Enjoying some water. That water break was very much needed. Now I'm feeling a lot better. Have to reach on time.
Hi guys, we are in Bengaluru. It shows I think left up to 13 kilometers. So I just
I will be seeing the map continuously like this. So there will be some documents. Let's see. I have this a small jugaad. I have used a MagSafe wallet and I have just kept it on the stand. It is not safe, but it will do the work. It will make my work easy because this is helping a lot. Without this, it is very difficult for me. I have to check the battery. I have been stuck in very long traffic for a very long time. We have reached Autonity, guys. Finally. Yes, it is open. Okay. This is Autonity. Here we are going to get the accessories for our bike. Warehouse is, the garage is there where it is getting fixed. This is the store Autonity. GC Road. From legendary all the accessories for bikes, lights. Hey guys, I am at the Autonity customer launch. The bike has been given for fitting of accessories, so I'm waiting for the bike to get ready. Till then, I will go meet some of my friends from Bangalore. I'll have something to eat, and later I'll show you the status of. Finally, and I want to do it in public. I want to show you guys my bike. What have I done on the bike? Look at the bike, guys. This is Denali D4. Actually, I wanted to install D7 Pro, but it is pretty much expensive. And the spoke sliders, dash plate, this legendary crash guard, Terra crash guard, legendary paddle stay, Kolga Bro Carbon Edition. This looks nice. This is Kolga Bro. Actually, you have trays also in this. There is a version in this, but I don't know why I didn't like it much. Just too large. This is a very good. This is a very good color also, black, carbon black. Nice looking. And we have cushion for the pillion rider. I have to check and someone click on it. How is the pillion support on? That's all. That's the accessories. And this stand. SW Mototech side stand extender. These are the accessories, yes, and quad lock. I took this quad lock scooter mount, case for my 16 Pro Max, and a damper. All these three things, you have to buy separately. This one, this dampener, and this mobile holder, and this Prospect Easy Ride extender. So this is it. This is the view. I will be making a proper video showing you the bike properly. I wanted to have this also. The rear foot peg
but it is not available, and I don't recommend also. It will be hurting this case also. I guess it is installed, this one.